So basically, let's start with some of the basic one-liners here. Let's see the questions and finish it off fast. The detailed videos will come on. Like I'll be posting the detailed videos here. But for now, you can go up with the last minute brush up questions here. So the question is list of mandatory file systems for HANA. So here, what are the file systems that are created by itself during HANA installation? Here you can keep in mind USRSAP, HANA Shared, HANA Data, and HANA Log. HANA Data and HANA Log are a part of persistence layer. Like this is the not a part of main storage. This is stored on disk. Okay. Next question is how much is the size of each file system? Here you can mainly remember for HANA, HANA data, this is equivalent to RAM. Then there is shared, that is also equivalent to RAM, and log is half of RAM size. Okay, then how can we get the RAM size for HANA? This you can check wherever you check the memories, like in the HANA database studio or in the DBA cockpit, depending upon the database that you're working on. Okay, and then what is the installation prerequisite? It is certified operating system, obviously, because HANA works only on Linux, SUSE, and Red Hat. Correct kernel, then the HANA SAR files, host name, DNS, and hardware. So these are the basic things. You can mainly remember here the like executable files. You can remember the host name. You need the IP address. You need the operating system. That is Linux only. Okay. So how to download all this? All this is downloaded from the SAP support portal using SUSE. Okay, difference between HANA Platform Edition and remaining editions. So you can say that HANA Platform Edition is basically concerned, or is basically used when we are using it as a part of database with some other systems. Okay, so platform edition includes DB plus admin tools, while other whatever HANA database editions are there that are used for particular task. Okay, but as far as the HANA SAP systems are concerned, the we use the edition only, like HANA platform edition here. Okay, okay. Just a second. Let's move on to the next slide here. Okay.